Okay, today we're looking at this Ophanie Shiatsu neck and back massager. Let's start by taking it out of the box and show you what you've got here. Alright, so we start by plugging it in. This cord just goes into an AC outlet. The cord's short, it's only 3 feet, so you have to be by an outlet. That's kind of a pain. I wish those cords were longer. You've got your standard buttons for a massager. You turn it on, and then the balls start going. You see that the heat's on, that's why it's red. If I turn the heat off here, then the color turns off. I like the heat, so I'll keep that on. This is the speed, so we've got slow, medium, oh wait, that's, oh yeah, slow, fast, medium. Slow, fast, medium. Slow, let's keep it slow. And then I can change the direction here. It just goes the other direction. So that's pretty much the standard buttons. I'm gonna throw it on and let you see how it works here. So let me sit down. You just have your arms in here like that, and then you can control it right from here. So if I want to speed it up, I can do that. And it's kind of designed perfectly to just fit on your neck, so you can just enjoy it like that. But the reason why it says it's a neck and back is you can always just drop it to other places and target your back, your lower back. You can stick it on your stomach. You can put it anywhere you want. With the arm handles, it's easier to adjust it. So that's pretty nice. I've looked at lots of different Shiatsu neck and shoulder massagers before. There's not a huge difference from brand to brand. The biggest consideration for me is the price, and this came at a good price on Amazon. And so that's why I went with this one. It is nice. I like the black faux leather here, and it's comfortable. And it fits me really well as a big guy, so that's pretty good. If you want to get one for you, I'll link it in the description below, and it will redirect you to Amazon. So I guess I should tell you why you want one of these, and then I'll sign off. You can pay 30-40 bucks to go get a massage one time, or you can pay about the same price, maybe a little bit more, and have a massage whenever you want. I started buying these a few years ago because I made that realization, and I was like, holy cow, at this price, it's worth buying a bunch of these. So I bought one for my mom, I bought one for my in-laws. I'm a teacher, and a 5th grade teacher, and I took one in to my class. We have a little massage station in our classroom. And then I have this one at home, so this newest one is for me. It is wonderful to be able to come home after a long day and just get a quick neck massage. We keep this right by the couch. And we also have a foot massage that we got that kind of goes with it. And every day I can have a massage. It doesn't cost me a thing. I just had to pay for it once for the same cost as a normal massage. So that's why I say you get it. It's going to alleviate tension in your neck and in your back. You're going to be glad that you did it. You're going to feel better, be more productive, and there's also the swag factor. It's just cool. My students love this. They have to earn coupons for 10-minute massages, and they work so hard to get those little coupons because they love getting a neck massage, so it's pretty sweet. Alright, if you want one, go ahead and check out the description below, and it will redirect you. Thanks, bye.